Hi, my name is Muhammad Sesi bin Yahya. My number battery is 16DE231015. I'm as a customer.
Hey, how dare you catch me? Hey! Oh, introduce myself. My name is Ganesan. Another gentleman. My matrix number is 16DE23F1018.
What's up? My name is Muhammad Jahkimi Muhammad Syariza and my matric number is 16DE231006.
If you touch me again, you know where I am.
I'm sorry.
My name is Joshua. My matric number is 16DE23F1001.
Okay.
Lambat.
6.5 hours later.
Hot today.
I think we must get some umbrella
Yes, that's right.
to our sunburn.
We made it but that was so close. This F5 is great, but it feels too slow when we are rushing to class.
Yeah, I was thinking the same. Yeah, but we need to upgrade something a bit more fast. Maybe some ICC.
Yes, I think so.
135 or 155 like that.
Exactly. I heard the IC model is popular and has a good power. Let's check it. Maybe it's the upgrade that we need.
That sounds good. Where is nearest motor shop? Do you know something?
I think I feel to my friend Chu Motorsport.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go there.
Let's go. Hi.
Hello, welcome to Chio Motorsport. I'm Midland. How can I help you?
I'm Seti and my friend Ganesh. We are looking to upgrade motorcycle at 500cc to something with more power. We have a good thing about the Yamaha LC model.
Hey, Mr. Chio, we have a customer here. This is our expert, seller expert. Name is Mr. Chio. He can tell you more detail about the LC model.
Hi, I'm Mr. Shiu.
I'm Ganesh.
This is I'm our shop sales expert. I'm hearing you interested in the LC model.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a seat first. We will discuss.
Yes, sir. We are looking for a bike with more speed than our current bike. Can you tell us more detail about the LC performance and the price?
Absolutely. The LC model is a strong 135cc engine with offer faster accelerations and better performance for the city and longer lives. It also has sporty look and fuel efficiency.
Wow, that sounds great. And what about safety feature?
The LC comes from front and rear disc brakes with provide better sporting power. And it also has a cooling system that can keep the engine steady even on long trips.
And then how much the price for the motorbike, sir?
And the price is around about 9,000 ringgit. And we also offer installment plans if you interest.
Could you tell us more about those plans?
Oh, sure. With a 10% down payment, you can make monthly payment between 180 to 200 up to 5 years. And also the monthly payment is depends with your maintenance plan.
Oh, that sounds impressive. Is the application process is simple or something else?
Yeah, we just need your IC, a salary slip, and electric bill to insure your address. Once approved, you can have the bike within 1 or 2 days.
And we are currently offering a free helmet and jacket with the LC purchase on this month. And we have 2 years manufacturer's warranty.
Awesome. How long is the promotion available?
This offer is valid until this end of this month. So if you interested, feel free to decide soon.
Oh, thank you for the information, sir. I think we need to discuss. Can we get some moment?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. We take our time.
What do you think? This is more powerful and the plan payment is affordable?
I think we can agree this purchase because we can get free equipment and some accessories for our safety.
Alright,
What do you think?
Alright, let's confirm the purchase.
Okay, let's go. May I?
Hi.
As Mr. Chua, we have decided to buy the LC with the 5-year installment plan.
Oh, great choice. Let me get the paperwork.
Okay, just a few signs here, and you all set. Please read the paper first or decrease before you sign.
Here, bro.
Yes, sir. I'm in.
Alright.
Hi, this is Sesi.
Hi, this is Sesi.
Yeah.
This is your LC. Let's check first.
Okay. Go check this is your motorcycle.
Any problem?
It's all okay, bro? Okay. Nice.
Okay, congratulations. And enjoy your life. Enjoy your drive. Enjoy your life. With extra speed. Congratulations.
Many months later.
It's okay, bro. Just speak to the class.
Jom. We meet Mr. Chua.
Hi, Mr. Ganesh. Hi, Mr. Sayuti. Welcome back to Kyo's Motorsports. How's the new LC treating you?
So, we actually wanted to talk to someone about a few issues. We have been having with the bike since we bought it.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What be going on?
Well, we have noticed that the bike makes a lot noises when we start it up, much louder than
Yes.
we expected. It's getting a bit annoying, especially early in the morning.
I understand. The LC Touch has a powerful engine that can be louder, but it isn't excessive. I eat my report a quick inspections. Let my technician to check it.
Okay. The LC 135 engine doesn't consume more fuel than smaller buckets, but it seems to previously we can check this turn correctly. Sometimes a quick adjustment can improve fuel efficiency.
We did appreciate that, and one more thing, we were told that parts will be easy to find, but we needed 2 new brake pads last week, and it took almost week to get. You can check it.
Oh, really? I'm really sorry about the information. We try to keep all parts in stock, but unfortunately there are delays with repair items. I made a note of this, so our inventor team is over and we do our best to ensure better availability in the future.
Yes. Thanks, Idlan. We just wanted to address the mistake. And by the way, I like the bike so far, but this little thing started giving me some head pain. That's why I come here.
I completely understand. I made sure our technicians did full checks on your bike today to address the noise and fuel efficiency. I follow up of the part of availability issue. I will want you to fully certify your purchase.
Thanks, Idlan and Mr. Chua. We really appreciate your service.
Thanks for support, Chills Motorsport.
That's all from us.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Cheers.